if you're a blogger or a marketer or whatsoever, you like to build a landing page for your business. Let's say you already have the code and you would like to import it to your website. This video, I'm going to show you how to implement this from your Cpanel. Why do we use the Cpanel? The Cpanel is faster and easier in the sense that when users load your page, the page will load faster than when you use the traditional Elementor on WordPress. So I'm going to show you how to do this from your Cpanel. And if you know, accessing your Cpanel will require access to your backend, which is your hosting. So for this, I'll be using Hostinger. So let's get straight into it. Once you're in your hosting provider, you go to File Manager for that particular domain which you want to install the landing page. So once it loads up, and remember I said this landing page is for those, this tutorial is for those that already have their code or maybe anything that they want to build already. I'm not showing you how to build from start. So once this is how the page will look like. You tap on public.html, and in this page I'm using a subdomain. I'm using a subdomain for this. So, but if you are not using a subdomain, whatever I'm doing in this finance, you can do it here. So for this subdomain, I will tap on this to open the subdomain. So let me delete this. I'll just replicate, or you'll replicate this. So let me delete this and so work on that again. So what you do is you create a new folder. Let's still use the word start. And remember, this start, why you choose this is the domain name. For instance, is bbc.com/ anything you use here is your extension, is your domain extension. If you use apply, if you use application, if you use start as we are using, this is your domain extension. So to visit this page, just go www.domainname.com/start. So you choose this carefully. So you tap on create. So you see it feels lonely here. Then in this page, what you do is to create a new file. You can also import, if you have the index file, you can just import it. But what I like doing is I'll create a new file and then I'll import, copy the whole code and paste it here. So then I'll just type index.html and I'll create a new file. So you see it opens up a HTML screen where we can paste our code. So let me quickly get the code I'll be using for this tutorial landing page. I'll be using for this landing page, and then I'll paste it. So and then I will save. So you see, once I've saved it, let me view the page. Let me use incognito. Let me use okay. Remember I said this is a subdomain. So .com/ use stats. Then we'll go. So Viola. Wow, you can tap on it. Anyhow, depending on what is on your landing page, what is on your code, everything will display. And the good thing about this, doing this from the backend or from the Cpanel is that it's very fast. I can refresh this several times. It won't flinch. Unlike when you are using Elementor and the rest to implement the same thing. In the next video, I'll be showing you how to achieve this using the Elementor. It's not similar, but it works. Maybe if you want a group of people to manage it, instead of giving them your access to your Cpanel, rather, you can just implement it on your WordPress and give them access to your dashboard, and they can change or tweak anything at will. So that is all for now. See you guys in the next video. Peace out.